Alright, we're here.
Yeah, well, we're here. See how it goes. Oh, he's out by his chickens. His lovely chickens. Are they laying eggs yet?
I don't think till the summer or something. I'm not sure.
Oh. It takes that long?
You ready for this?
I don't know. I guess I am.
Alright.
Are you ready?
Huh? I'm just filming. Huh?
Well, still. I thought he was getting more chickens anyway.
I think he is. I think he's getting like 6 more at some point.
And he has help. I'll ask him. Is that open in the pool today?
What are you guys doing here?
Let's check out your chickens.
Besides scaring the crap out of me,
Your chickens didn't even flinch.
that's because I feed them.
Hey, did the neighbors get chickens too over there?
Not that I know of. They have them over here though.
What, those neighbors?
Yeah. But they don't run free or anything. See how they act with the...
Now, how many you got now? 6?
Yep.
Hey Larry, how you doing?
Good. What are you doing?
Filming.
Hey, you want that back?
What is that?
What do you mean, what is that?
Where'd you get that from? Is that the cat one?
Under my sink? The trap is fine. There's nothing leaking there.
Well, like I said, I
across the
don't
back?
hear it. I've heard it, hardly heard it
The
at all
vent
today.
pipe is good.
Alright, just be quiet for just 1 minute. No.
I'm
There's
deaf and I don't hear it. So
There's nothing. I'm sorry. I thought I heard noises. I know.
It was under your sink?
it's a dripping sound.
Joe took that?
I thought you did it.
No, we made that. We made that a while ago. We were going to put that on Don.
Is his name Don or Dom?
It's Don.
Don. Okay. So you're saying Joe did it?
Yeah, he must have took it from here and put it over there when we came over that day. Yeah, he told me he did. He told me
He did tell you he did it?
Yeah.
But you weren't a part of it? I mean, you didn't know it?
I mean, I knew that we might do it, but I didn't know that he was going to do it that day.
Yeah, because now it seems like it's like 6 to 2 now.
6 to 2.
6 to 2. All you guys against us. I mean, the odds just don't seem fair. And that's including Tom, because Tom's a smart kid, so I'm sure he's egging things on too.
So you knew beforehand that he was going to put it there?
Well, we might have planned it out, but I didn't know that.
You're smiling.
You told me that you wanted
Yeah,
me to sign
but
a
is that legitimately why you came over, or?
Yeah, that's what we came over for me to sign a poster. Plus that Ron, he wanted to apologize.
You sure that wasn't just a ploy too?
No, he
just didn't seem that sincere.
He said he felt bad for clogging up the toilet, which I didn't even know he did.
I didn't know he did anything either. And like I told him, I didn't give a shit. I mean,
Yeah, Jesse said never. He never said anything about any toilet being clogged.
Yeah, that's what I was telling Joe that it sounded kind of fishy that it was like nobody knew anything about a clogged toilet.
Did you
or
even see him go in there?
Yeah, he went in there, but a matter of fact, when I was telling Kevin about it, Kevin even said, was he even in the bathroom for that long to be able to clog a toilet? Because we didn't know that he pooped in there.
Yeah, and who comes over to somebody's house and just,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And why would he admit that too?
Yeah.
I mean, it's like,
That's what I mean.
you
Was he
think
in
he'd
with Joe
be
then?
like really embarrassed.
I don't know. So I haven't trusted Joe in a long time. Yeah, and they broke out the screen away from all the staples. And I can't staple it back because I'd have to take this off.
Are you gonna talk?
Or climb in there.
Right.
You waiting for something to eat?
Yeah, it's a
But
shame.
why would they do it?
Oh,
I don't
God.
know.
They really got big, Larry.
Yeah, I know. I can't wait for them to pop out some eggs.
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys want to sit down or something?
Yeah.
You want
Yeah.
a beer? Yeah, sit down up here.
Which one you sit in?
It don't matter. Well, I said where my beer is, but the wind kind of stays off you up here.
Gotcha.
You want a Miller Lite, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so he does know about it.
Yeah. Well, I think you need to ask more of, like, did he say whose idea it was? I couldn't hear.
No, he didn't. I don't think he made mention of that because I think he even said that. So,
Okay.
I'll ask him.
Yeah, I think you need to talk a little bit more about that. You know, being they have so many guys.
Oh, I know.
You know.
And that was pretty lame. You know, wasn't no big deal, but still.
All right. Look how the watering cans are all lined up. Yeah?
That's all right. Who's got the OCD with the watering cans?
Oh, I just put them there. Well, I had them there before.
And you need that many?
Well, one.
You only got 2 hands.
Well, you leave two. You leave them fill up while you're taking the other 2. I only need really 3.
Oh.
I don't know why we have so many of them.
So actually, whose idea was it for the latest prank with the drip? Why are you grinning?
Because I think it's kind of funny. I think it's funny.
It was kind of lame and, you know, childish, but it wasn't hurtful. It wasn't innocent, but yeah, it was. So do you think the majority of it's Joe's issue, or Joe did it?
Well, Joe's the one that came up with the idea, you know, originally. And then we were all kind of like, yeah, okay.
Okay, so it's basically, like I said, 6-2. You guys against us, and it's always seemed to be teamed against you and me.
Well, what do you mean 6? It's only me, Kevin, and Joe. And
you, Kevin, Joe, Tom, Dom, Ron, and whoever.
They're not on our side.
They seem to be. They're in your clique, right?
No, it's kind of like they're trying to invade with us, but we only got, you know, Ron came over, and God's honest truth, he wanted to apologize to me. Right? But
didn't you think that was weird, though, that he wanted to do that?
Oh, yeah.
That's why I said, was that part of Joe's plan? You know, let me have that dude come in there and keep you occupied.
It could be.
Yeah, because Ron doesn't really know, or Don, what is it, Ron?
Which one you talking about?
The one that apologized. He doesn't know Jeff, so I guess he just didn't want to make the wrong impression.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like I told you, it wasn't my house anyway.
And I don't know if Ron is on the outs with those guys or whatever, because he came over here literally just to prank us with these Cadbury eggs that he put soy sauce in and hot sauce in.
That's the friend.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then but it was kind of weird because we both said, I don't like Cadbury eggs, and Joe didn't like them either. So we were like, no, we're not going to have any. Then he came clean and told us that there was stuff inside.
Right.
So it's kind of fishy. We don't trust them guys at all.
But he doesn't come over with Ron or Don?
He has come over with Don before, but I don't know why he came over here. He came over, he brought wings, he brought beer, and he brought these Cadbury eggs.
Way to a man's heart's through his stomach.
That's what he's trying. Yeah. I ate one of the wings, nothing happened. It wasn't like he pranked us with them. It was just kind of weird that he had planned to prank us, and then once we didn't want him, then he came clean and told us that. And that's what I told Joe. I said, did he do that just so that like he didn't leave them there, and then Tom or Diana ate one? You know, I don't know.
It's weird
because that would have messed Tom up. That hot stuff with what he has and stuff.
Well, as I said, people you don't know sometimes, you know, and they come in and think it's funny or cute, and then they ended up hurting somebody.
Yeah, but I personally, Jeff, I really believe that Joe is somehow connected with them guys.
Right.
And has been doing this stuff.
Now, does he hang out with them? I mean, he does.
Yeah,
okay.
He's been over their house before and stuff. So without me over there.
Right. So you got so it's all you guys, and whether the Ron and Don and all are involved in anything. So, and it seems like in our opinion, and Terry and I talking.
Oh, you got 4. You don't have 2. You've had.
Oh, it's JT
be part of it. You had Jackie be part of it.
They're not always available though.
Right.
I mean, you know, JT's busy with work.
Right.
He's hit or miss, and
but
it's not like we have them at our beck and call. That we don't.
So what, you want a truce?
No, actually, no. I don't want a truce because I you know, stuff like that is not. It's harmless.
Right.
So, but it seems like Joe's the common denominator of everything that gets done.
Oh, I agree with you.
Whether you know, and you can tell me, you know, whether he is or isn't, but he seems like he's the one that usually does the prank or is heavily involved in the prank, and nothing really ever happens to him because we always come to do it against you. Right. I mean, when we want to retaliate or whatever.
Right.
And it seems like, and then he just like brushes his hands, and then he scurries home to his
he has
family.
gotten it a few times, but yeah, but the thing I think is that like it's usually you against Jeff, and it would be nice if you and Jeff were actually the masterminds and get Joe
You mean like how it used to be?
and
Like-
get Kevin and like join forces instead of
Or just,
being
you know, or
against
just
each other.
You and I team up against something for Joe. I mean, and at the end you can play, you can drop, because you don't want to tell your buddy, I didn't have any involvement in it.
I'll be in for it, but you better, if you put this out before you do your prank, then they're all going to warn Joe.
Oh no, we never do. We always do the prank before we let anybody know what we're going to do,
That's
because
that's what we,
they all dime you out,
yeah, right. That's why
and so
that's what we do. We're always a week, at least a week, sometimes 2 weeks. Our videos come out.
There's a lot of dime droppers in the
there's a lot
social media.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
Like if you wanted to do it here, I'd have to get them outside. I'd have to figure out how to get them outside.
I think here would be better because there's a lot of places that like we can hide behind, and you could have, because he's usually here.
Yeah.
So you could have him come outside to do something or get something for you,
Well, I
can just
Because if he
If
came
it was over by
bombard
the-
him with
if it was-
something.
If you could do something over by the cars, I could easily get him. Like I could put something in the car and say, "Yo, you're for his pay, for instance."
Okay.
I could say, "Hey, yo, I got your check out in the car. I was
Okay.
going to run it over to your house, but I didn't have time.
Yeah.
It's in the car's unlocked. Go out and get it before I forget right now." And then he could go outside.
Because it's better to have it
Right.
here, other than that, because I don't know if he'll figure something out if he's running over suspiciously to our house with you.
Yeah, the only way you'd be able to is if we were going over there, like to like say we were going to do a prank like this or something.
Did you say we're going to do a prank?
Well, I'd have to tell them that we're going to do a prank
Right.
and go set this up, and then that's that way I could go get them over your house. I could do something like that,
All right.
all right.
or
figure
the bracelets. Like if you ever got,
Oh yes, you know what? The new lounge TV.
Oh, you brought them?
Yep.
Oh, sweet.
Here, you have one.
Huh?
I said, here, you have
No,
one.
I
No, they're
have,
nice. I like them.
Yeah.
Different
Nice.
color.
here.
Oh yeah, she gave me one.
There.
Here's your one.
What?
I
for
like
me,
the
Joe, and
colors.
Kevin.
I like the
Yeah,
colors,
Weber.
the gray with the
Yeah.
navy
Oh, and then there's
blue.
Weber. That's the other one. That's like 7.
Yeah, Weber does it. He's not a consistent person that ever comes out or anything like that. He's involved with a girl, so he's not really around. But if you ever wanted to get him, I'd be definitely on board to get him.
Yeah.
Oh,
that
and
may
you
be
know
another
what? I
option.
had something else.
What?
The one person I would never get
Think
though.
fast.
Ooh, Swedish fish, nice.
Ripping fillings
The
right
one
out.
person I would never get is Kevin, because Kevin, when we thought that Kevin was doing some of these pranks to us, we talked about getting him, and then we don't know how he would take it.
Oh.
He's
Was
got-
it like spastic or something where he just flips out?
Yeah,
And,
and
goes off the deep end?
he's got some anger issues and stuff like that. So I don't know if he can take a joke like that.
Right.
So, and Joe doesn't know either, and we've always been leery about ever pranking him, so we've never done that.
All right.
So I wouldn't do anything with
I
that.
don't
didn't-
think
I
Jeff would have a problem, would you?
What?
Wanting to do that to Kevin? To do a prank on him?
Yeah, I can do a prank. I
Just
can run
to
fast.
see?
Still run pretty fast for 60.
Right?
Yeah, I can't. Me and Joe can't run fast from Kevin.
You can-
he's gonna catch us.
Well, no, you got. Yeah, you too. You
Yeah.
always got to be faster than the slowest
Well,
guy.
He does
I gotta
have
be
he
faster
has
than Joe.
long legs.
And I'd probably knock
Yeah.
somebody down running faster.
I am faster than Joe, but not for long distance.
All
But,
right. So then we just need to iron out what you want to throw
and then
on
we'll
him.
communicate via text or
and
call.
yeah, and then tell me where, if you want to do it here, if you want to do it over your house or wherever, and then I'll make sure that I can come up with any excuse to get Joe, because I can just tell him, hey dude, we're gonna
Hey,
go,
there's a beer in the car.
yeah, or we're gonna go film here or there or whatever.
Right.
Let's go do something. We're gonna plant something or whatever. I can get him anywhere.
So, all right. In? No, let's shake on this because I think. Yeah,
All right,
yeah.
all right, all right.
Sorry, my hands covered
yeah,
in beer.
Hold it. Should I put my hold it? Let me put my hand to God. I will not say anything to Joe.
Wait a minute. Let me shake your left hand. It's like putting your right hand on the Bible.
Is that what you're supposed to
Raise
do?
your right hand, left hand on the Bible. Either way, I'm good.
All right.
After this many years, if I can't trust you,
Hey, I just appreciate you not getting me.
right? Well, that's what I said. It always seems the teams are against you and
Because
I.
I could,
or
you
the
did
group.
just put a whole bunch of stuff in my car not that long ago.
What, the balloons and stuff
Yeah.
and JT.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, we gotta put these balloons up.
You can't close the door. Oh, we got more balloons?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Don't smother them.
He's fine.
Look at that. That's so
Here
cool.
we go. Let's go try pop.
Actually, you know what? I just remembered. We actually did the leaves, I think. Wasn't that the last
you did
thing?
That was good. Well, you're the one
Was
that
that
left
the
your...
last thing or the
But
balloons?
again, you guys were over there with your blower,
Yeah.
and you blew the shit in my face.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
right.
yeah.
And
That's
so-
right. So that was kind of like retaliation.
Yeah, but that was good because you got your blower back.
Yeah, and I had and you got all your leaves too, and I had to take them all
Oh,
back.
that was just a small
And-
amount of leave.
Your balloons, when you did that, I took them all out of the car the next day. The wind's blowing them around. Well, it heated them up, and they're popping out in my driveway.
Oh,
all over the place.
yeah.
I'm hearing pop, pop.
So
pop,
we
pop.
did the prank that
They
keeps
kept
giving.
going. Yeah, it never stopped.
And the leaves, they were natural. But you got your blower back, so
Yeah.
at least you had your blower to blow them leaves out.
No, I wound up. Well, I just wound up putting them on my tarp and drug them into the back.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I had the leaf blower, and you shoved all stuff inside there too.
Yeah, I think that
The
toilet paper stuff
yeah.
in there, yeah.
Piece of work.
I'm still getting used to this camera.
Huh?
I'm still trying to get used to the camera.
Show my butt.
No. What butt? You got a spider ass.
I know. Used to be well formed when I mowed lawns every day.
So, what do you think? Do you think-
Somewhere
you think
we're going to
he's-
get screwed dry here. I just got that feeling.
You think maybe, like, we're gonna get the prank? Like, he's gonna set us up?
There's a possibility. Because he gets that evil grin on his face when he talks
Well,
about
maybe
everything.
we ought to see who's available.
All right. Yeah, maybe communicate with the other few and
Yeah,
see if they got ideas and stuff like that, and then plan it that way. How about that?
sounds good.
All right.